Welcome to V and Enzo's Toy Review with Franco.
A pinch on my left and pinch on my right. Grab handy hand and hold on tight. Wee! Welcome to V and Enzo's Toy Review with Franco. Hello everyone. My name is Via. And today we're opening Gabby'S Dollhouse. It's a Netflix original series and you can watch it from Netflix. And DreamWorks made Gabby'S Dollhouse. And there's Kitty Fairy, Corita, Gabby, Baby Box, Pillow Cat, Meerkat, Pansy, Cakey, and DJ Cat. So let's start opening. I got this from Santa Claus last Christmas, so I'm excited. This is the manual and this is the sticker. Let's start. This is Pandy, this is Gabby, this is a slide, this is a game remote control. Here is a table that goes like spinning, a rainbow tent, a couch, some cat ears, something. Here is what you put on the dollhouse so you can see different stuff. Toilet, sink, chalkboard, rainbow tree that has no colors, sleeping bag, dollhouse deliveries. Let's start building.
All right. We're almost done. Ativia, put all the stuff inside.
This one is open. You can put it. Here. Where's the remote control? Kitchen.
Wow, it's beautiful. Ate. And the last one is
Gabby.
Gabby.
I'm gonna put her on the elevator.
Elevator.
She's gonna go here.
Okay. There you go.
What is that? A catavitor. A pinch on my left and pinch on my right. Grab handy hand and hold on tight. Wee! Messed up a little. No, like that. No, like that.
Enzo, you like Gabby'S dollhouse?
Enzo. I heard you say you want to play Pandy. I'll have you. Onto here? So go. What? Cat, rat. The bad guy. No, not bad guy. And look. Is hiding there. Got messed up. It's gone. Candy bars, come out and play and then hug it. Oh! Yeah, look. And hold delivery. Dollar's deliveries. Where? Here? From the kitchen? Let's see what Kiki has. I mean, what the delivery has. Come on, Pandy. Whoa! Look, open the dollhouse. No, it's from the music room. What's that? It's right here. Hey, another one. A picture. Another picture. Put it in here. From the dollhouse. You see cat rat? No. I smell blue. What is that? Yeah. The music room. Wow, there's a mirror up there. You want to go up? Yeah. Come on, let's open the dollhouse and go up. No, don't go like that. Take the elevator. Ah! Take the cat elevator. Yeah. There's a little foot thingy. I'll put him on. You want to go up? Open this. Up. The cat elevator is going up. Patty was going upstairs. Cool.
You like it?
Yeah. Say cat, Gabby, come. Gabby, come. Okay, I'm coming, Pandy. Come back. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Where did Pandy go? It's up here. He was up here. Where did that doll's delivery go? Where's doll's delivery?
Thank you for watching Via and Enzo's toy review with Franco. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Bye bye.